extenuation from the last video, how to get your trophies through customs without going through the rigmarole or getting a broker. Here we're actually doing the uncrating. I haven't even seen what's in here yet. Just finished unscrewing it. Wow. Interesting. Oh. Careful not to nick the horns, even though they run around in the wild. I think they put a preservative on them. Look at that. GEMSBOK horns. GEMSBOK. Pretty yellow. It's like Christmas all over again. IMPALA. That's pretty tight. GEMSBOK skull, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to leave that one wrapped. That nose doesn't get damaged. You guys have all seen skulls before. GEMSBOK. I gotta take that one out. Okay. IMPALA. Again, I'm going to leave the skull protected in there. So the hides for the GEMSBOK, and the IMPALA are in here. I'm going to go ahead and leave these in. They're pretty well preserved and crusted. Wherever I end up getting the taxidermy done, I'll leave these just like they are right there. Here comes the piece de resistance. This is the one I'm excited about seeing. There's the cutters. There he is. That's the Warthog. Look at that. He is cool. Some kind of awesome. Some assembly required. He's so cool. So there they are, all stacked out. Bunch of dreams come true, and a couple of other dreams come true right there. All comes together. Many months to reach this point. Yeehaw. Check out the other videos in my channel. I would ask that you subscribe. I'm trying to hit that 1,000 subscribers level. In order to keep it going on YouTube, they've changed the rules on me, so it's their rules. I've got to follow them. So appreciate it. If you like the video, go ahead and subscribe. There will be more to come.